Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to improve your recommendations, meaning that you should pick some artists that you like so that songs will be recommended to you based on your preferences on the YouTube music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile menu in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you should tap on settings. Here click on playback and restrictions, which is the second option, and after that tap on the last icon, improve your recommendations. Here you should pick 5 artists that you like, and after that it will be easy to see the recommended songs. So click on the done button, and as you can see there are these songs just for you based on the artist that you have just selected. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.